Hi, this is Brett from SR Moto. Wanted to do a video overview of the Fender Eliminator kit and LED turn signals that we've installed on our Kawasaki Z900RS Cafe project bike. What we've got here is a 2019 Z900RS Cafe. It's one of the bikes we have here in the shop that we're using to install parts on and try things out. Mention our website real quick. Our online store is soloracer.com. If you go there and navigate to the project bike section, you'll find this bike and you'll see all the parts we've installed on it with links to the product pages. I'll put links down in the video description down below to the project bike page. And then we also have a blog at srmoto.com where we've got more details and photos of the various project bikes, including this particular bike. So again, I wanted to talk about the Fender Eliminator kit and the LED turn signal. So I'll start here at the back of the bike. And what we've done is installed this Fender Eliminator kit. First, I'll show you what we removed from the bike. This is the stock Fender and non-LED turn signals. They're actually bulb type turn signals, so they're pretty good sized turn signals. It's a bunch of different reflectors. There's a license plate mount. Pretty large piece that doesn't look good on the bike, so most riders are going to want to get rid of that. So what we've done is installed this Fender Eliminator kit from New Rage Cycles, also referred to as NRC, and they make a real nice Fender Eliminator for this bike. And what you get with it is you get the license plate mount, you get LED turn signals, which I'll show you here in a second. You get a license plate light, LED license plate light in there to illuminate the license plate. It's real simple installation, completely plug and play. It's got all the Kawasaki connector plugs and everything on it, so you basically unbolt the stock assembly and stock turn signals, and this thing goes right on there and plugs right in just like the stock lights were. And you'll notice it does retain the stock brake light, tail light, so that's going to work like normal. Let me demonstrate it here real quick. I'll turn on the flashers just to kind of show you the LED turn signals. So that's what they look like, and it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but they're really bright. I think brighter than the stock turn signals. Even though they're tucked in there pretty good, you can still see them. I really like the look of it. It looks, really good on the bike. Really kind of cleans up the back end. Now, when you order these, they come in two different versions. There's a standard license plate mount version and a tucked license plate mount version. What we're running on this bike is the standard license plate mount. And basically what that is the license plate sort of mounts in like the traditional spot hanging down right below the brake light. The tucked version, your license plate will mount up under there, so it's a little bit more hidden. You can still see it, but it's a little more hidden and out of the way. I kind of, on this bike, just a personal preference thing, I like the standard. I think you need something small kind of hanging off the back end of the bike, so that's why we did it. That's why we did this particular one. So it really cleans the rear end up and makes the bike just look a lot better. Again, completely plug and play, real simple installation, real high quality stuff. We've run these on a couple different bikes. Our Z900 has similar setup and it's worked great for years. So that's kind of what we did in the rear. Now in the front, these bikes, surprisingly in the US, do not come with LED turn signals from the factory. They come with these pretty large bulb type turn signals, and kind of as a size comparison, you can see how big they are. So what we've installed on our bike is these 12 o'clock Labs LED turn signals. Real high quality stuff. Pretty small. They have to stick out a little bit, to at least on the Cafe model, to clear the front fairing. I think they look real good. We've put together a kit where you get everything you need to mount these up. You get a pair of the LED turn signals. You can get them in either orange or smoke. I've done the orange on this bike. I think it looks good with the green paint. And then you're going to get the LED connector plugs to allow you to plug them in to the bike's wiring harness behind the headlight. And then you'll get the little mounting plates that allow you to bolt these up to the stock turn signal locations. So a real simple kit that will make the front end of the bike look a lot better. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I think it looks a lot better. Again, I'll put links down in the video description to this project bike so you can get over to the website and see these products as well as some of the other products we sell for the bike. Our website is also on the our email address is also on the website. So if you have any questions about anything you see here, feel free to shoot us an email. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, it's Brett from SR Moto and our Z900RS Cafe project bike. Thanks for watching.